Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
Hello everyone. Greetings. Myself Janani from Missan IT Solutions. In this video, we are going to see about one of the high performance cloud managed security router in Ruijie 6000 series. To start with the introduction, in this 6000 series, it have 4 different type of models: RG-NBR6210-E and 6205E, 6210E, then 6215E. In this video, we are going to unbox Ruijie RG-NBR6210-E. Before that, highlight features are high performance all-in-one cloud managed security router, flexible linkage with Ruijie multi-software platform, and L7 DPI and intelligent flow control in VPN tunnels. Let's come on boys, we'll go into the video. Inside the box, we get network cable, D8-9 console cable, user manual and warranty card, defense shuttling clamp and cross screws, and power cord. Right behind, we have reset button, console port, 2 USB port and 8 LAN and WAN port, and there are switchable ports and 2 fiber ports. Moreover, key specification, the CPU have 3 cores, 1.2 GHz, RAM 2 GB and 8 MB cache and bandwidth support 2.5 Gbps, and it have weight 2.9 kg and it have recommended clients was 1000, and the installation it will utilize 1U 19-inch rack mounter, and it take power consumption less than 25 watts, and it have certification was to CE RoHS, and it have default 3 years warranty. And also, it is multi-service firewall plus network behavior, IPPS, is called NBR, all-in-one. And also, it is a OpenAI freely third-party integration to web server, radio server and portal. And also, L7 DPI and intelligent flow control in VPN tunnels, not only powerful behavior management based on L7 DPI, but also visualized VPN to guarantee key service in tunnel. Then, and also the cloud make your business easy for self-organization network, scenario-based configuration guide and marketing portal authentication, and quickly advanced service setup by APP, then cloud APP maintenance remotely. Hope you guys this video will be useful. For more information, kindly contact us.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.